Morning, Steve Lentini, Lord and Lentini training for life, the best getting better. This is the minute to win it. So have you thought about the cost of hiring salespeople and training them? What if they don't succeed? How much time do you give them? How do you hire them? How do you hire the best candidates? Do you need a hunter? Do you need a farmer? What are the things that you're doing to make sure that you can ensure the success of rookie sales teams and rookie salespeople? Well, first of all, it takes a couple of years. If you're thinking 6 months, you're going to ramp somebody up, hopefully you do find someone like that. But if not, you spend a lot of money. You invest a lot of money. And if they don't succeed, it's gone. So here's what I recommend. I recommend that you plan on 2-year investment, that you use a hiring assessment, whether mine or someone else's, to find the right fit, the right person for the work, so that your investment is somewhat assured because you've hired well, and then you train them. I have a 2-year training program, minimum, by the way, minimum reinforcement training program that helps salespeople succeed. Rookies succeed. They ramp up to success faster. And it's a process. And if you're asking them, managers and owners, if you're asking them, what did you close lately? You're not helping. It's the reverse. You want to ask them, who did they meet today? How did the meetings go? Describe the meetings to me. Who did you meet? What was their position? I can teach everyone in the company how to help the sales team ramp up quicker. Steve at stevelentini.com, Steve at stevelentini.com. Thanks.